Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python and SQLite database. We have gone through many videos on machine learning such as facial emotion recognition using FAIR library, DFace library, then dataset using Keras, then more videos on hand tracking and many more videos on speech recognition. A lot of videos. Today's video is really interesting. It is enhancement of previous video. We have seen our latest video was face recognition using SQLite database. It is enhancement of the previous video. So let us go through the Python file. First two statements are importing libraries required for the program. Third statement to detect the face using cascade classifier. Then next statement to recognize the frame, to recognize the face, sorry. The next statement to start the webcam. The next method select star from employee is the table and ID if matches. Then cursor in the sense to establish a session with the database. Then if profile with none, then if for row in cursor, then if row is present, then it is copy to profile, then close the session and return the profile which contains name, age and gender and ID. Then font to set the font, this statement. Then while with infinite loop, then generate frame by frame RET image. Then face in the sense conversion to BGR to gray image. Then generating a drawing a rectangle around the face, this for that if profile matches, then name of the person is displayed, age and gender is displayed according to this name, age and variable. Then if and display the frame. Then to exit the while loop, press escape button. Then release the webcam and close all windows. Now I will execute the program. Yes, name has been displayed, age has been displayed, gender has been. So I successfully done with face recognition using SQLite, which is enhancement of previous video. In previous video I displayed only the name and ID, and here I am displaying the gender and age. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.